Hey YC, I'm Dan,
Hey YC, I'm Alex.
and we're working on Eureka, which is a machine augmented learning platform. Our mission is to bring learning to hundreds of millions of people.
Yeah, and our initial idea came from trying to figure out a way to leverage these powerful new language models hitting the market, primarily for our own purposes of just learning about new subjects that are interesting to us.
Yeah, so we launched a beta, which was basically infinite flashcards. And it was pretty cool, but we realized that flashcards are only good for when you know a subject. So we started working on our V1, which was more of a structured learning format. So you type in what you want to learn, and it spits out a whole course that you go through, and it's kind of in the style of Brilliant, where everything's broken down into bite-sized chunks. And with that launch, we got close to 500 users. We got feedback from 100 plus users, and we took all of that and we're working on a V3 now.
Yeah, and throughout that process, I think we gained kind of a key insight, which is, these language models are going to power almost every product and service that users are going to use. So the key really is about focusing on the interface, right? And maximizing the effectiveness of that interface layer between the user and whatever model you have behind the scenes.
Yep.
And I think for that reason, we're trying to focus on not being just a chat GPT wrapper and build a platform with its own value.
Yeah. What can we provide to users to make it more interesting, to make it more sticky? So we realized that a lot of the feedback was like, hey, you kind of just gave us a textbook, and a textbook is not how I want to learn. It's also not how I want to learn personally myself. So we're taking that and we're looking at V3, which is way more interactive. So tell us what you want to learn. We'll generate like a skill tree for you. It'll be a non-linear style of learning. You can work on a subject. Once you're done working on a subject, we can give you a interface for testing. If it's math problems, we'll give you a whiteboard. If it's coding, we'll give you a code interpreter. And then we'll use AI to keep that feedback loop tight. So we think that the real key here is take in some information and then test that information and get immediate feedback. If you're in a classroom and you're not sure about something, it might take you a while to even get to talk to the teacher. And that lag in between is what causes delays in learning. So we want to tighten that feedback loop to be as tight as possible. And we want to provide users with that experience that makes them actually enjoy learning.
hmm Yeah, and fun fact, all of our Eureka infrastructure is running on Anton Jr. back here, which is my pride and joy. It's in my basement. But we thank you for your time and we, hope to get a chance to talk to y'all soon.
Yeah, thank you guys.